Okay, so this is your A-level October November 2024, and we have earlier completed task 1 and task 2 since our last class. Today we are going to practice task 3, which is going to be of Adobe Animate. So in this question, you are required to animate the orbit of the planet Earth around the sun. So you need to set the stage to the match the size of the background GIF image. So for this, I'm going to use the Adobe Animate. You are going to click on Create New and set the stage to match the size of background. So what is the size of the background? Let's check by going into properties. The size here is 900 by 480 pixels. So this is the stage size that I need to set. This is also going to be 900 multiplied by 480 pixels. And the frame rate is going to be 30. Now the stage is set. You are going to drag this image right here. This is your background, and the question says that use the earth.png and axis.png image in your animation. The earth and axis image must follow the path shown in the background. Okay, the animation must start at the aphelion point shown and travel at an even rate around the sun. Okay, so this is going to go with an even rate around the sun. Okay, the light side of the earth must always face the sun. Okay, I mean this light side will have to face the sun, and yeah, like this, they have shown you the animations. The text must appear as the earth passes each point. The animation must take 8 seconds for the complete orbit. Okay, 8 seconds it is going to be taking. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to rename this layer as my background layer BG. And okay, this is giving me 10 seconds, but I need 8 seconds. So I'm going to right click insert frames because I only need it for the 8 seconds. Then I'm going to create a new layer. And in the new layer, I'm going to drag and drop this earth .png right here. And I'm going to place it right on the curve. Uh, so I'm going to rename this layer as earth. Then I'm going to create another layer, and now I'm going to have this. I'm going to take this axis right here, and this axis is going to be coming right here. Yes, you can see. I can rename this axis as an axis, and as you can see that it is rotating. It should be rotating. So for this, I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to rename this layer as my path. So I can unhide these layers, and for the path. So first of all, I need to draw the path. For drawing the path, I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'm going to draw it like I'm like drawing it on the top of it, like overlapping it. So as you can see, by clicking them right here, I have to draw the path. Now, after completing that, you are going to select the selection one, selection tool, and you are going to right click and click on guide, and you are going to drop this axis on top of it. Let me explain you again. You are going to right click on the path. You are going to click on guide, and after guide, you are going to pull these layers like this on them, the axis layer and the earth layer. The background will remain same like this. So after this, you are going to lock the axis, and now uh, unhide the hide the earth. Now you can have this VA. You are going to right click on the earth, convert to symbol. Now it is converted into symbol as well. Now click on insert, create a classic twin, and now you are going to like move this, but we only have 8 seconds, right? So see, let me do this part again for animating this. You have to convert this into a symbol. Then you need to click on insert, create classic twin. You are going to set the classic twin at once at the starting point, and then you are going to take this to the last timeline, which is the 8th second. And at the 8th second, you are going to mark the completions of this, right? Like this. So it is going to automatically take this path. And when you are going to click on run, you can see that this is automatically moving till 8 seconds. But in the question, they said that the brighter side should be for the sun part. So I need to right click on this, insert a keyframe, and on every place I need to adjust that this brighter side should be on the sun's side. So by inserting the keyframes, you can adjust the side of this. As you can see that the white side should be on the sun side. So I'm only adding the keyframes on the sun side. So now you can also play this. Access you can unhide now. You can lock the earth layer. And now we need to do this with the access part. So access convert to symbol, and then again insert classic tween. Going to do the same thing. Let first of all set the starting at the like, and this is 0, and then at the 8 second you need to end it where your circle is being ended. Now as you play, you can see that this is also moving along with it. The text shows must appear as the earth passes each point. Okay, so as it is passing each point, we also need to show the text. As you can see, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 text, Equinox 23rd September. So we are going to put the text here as well on the background layer. We can should be creating a new layer. So we need to create a new layer for the text. Insert keyframe. So at that time, when it is on this round, insert keyframe, insert the text. You can set the size, the color of it. Set as bold. Then add another keyframe on this time where this side is. We are again going to add the text. As you can see on the text here, now for the next part, when it goes to this, need to add another text, insert another keyframe. Take text. Now after this, you just need to match them. And that's it for this task. When you are going to play it, you will see it, the text and everything all done. Then it says the animation must then restart and loop continuously and save it as an animated GIF named orbit, followed by your center number, candidate number. So you are going to go on File, Export, Export Animated GIF, and looping should be forever. And here you can save with your center number and candidate number. And that's it for this part, which is orbit.